The mention of a woman, no, in this gospel also shows, no, that Luke is not a Jew. Okay, so from his culture, he's a Greek. Okay, so from his culture, women also were highly they were seen equal to men and given equal status. But it is kind of scandalous to the Jewish community, which is a patriarchal community, and it might have Jesus takes this step of calling this woman. Maybe that is the reason also why we see Pharisees and the other religious leaders were against Jesus. Why? Because he was giving importance to everyone. Okay, but if you go to see, Jesus' first disciples were men, the 12 disciples. Okay, from whom, it shows that God wanted to reconstitute through Jesus the 12 tribes of Israel. And then we have the second element in this band of Jesus, that is this woman disciples, who have experienced the love of Jesus, who have experienced the healing of touch of Jesus, and now they are following him. As we consider the generosity and fidelity of this holy woman, let us remind ourselves that it is in love, in giving service to others, that people achieve their highest dignity. Jesus showed them love to this woman. Maybe they must have not had any place in this society, but he showed them his love, and they accepted that love, and through their lives, they were also kind of generous towards the mission of Jesus, and they were providing for them. So let us, as we reflect on this short reading today from the Gospel, let us ask ourselves the same question: are we able to experience the love of Jesus? Jesus comes to us in many ways, and he invites every one of us. Sometimes we don't take that love which Jesus gives us. So let us take example of this woman. They were there, they have all their problems, but Jesus touched them. And if you have been touched by Jesus, are we able to give that love like this woman who were in the gospel today? Are we able to give it to all the brothers and sisters who we come in contact with? Let us ponder and reflect on these questions today.